So this is the chef.
This is the chef is trying to cooking for the meal for lunch, and with lovely people on the boat.
Where are we, Josh?
We are in Kadriga Bay,
And how?
last bay from the Marmaris harbor, and beautiful, clear water.
How many times a year do you come here, Josh?
About 100 times.
100 times. And you don't get fed up with it?
Like, look at my view.
Okay.
Right, this is my
This is
kitchen,
your
right?
office.
Yeah, this is my kitchen. It's just like, can you ever see before in your life is this kind of like the kitchen big view? And also, I'm not just like every time in the same place. Like my position change and just like I have another view on my window. That this is the best kitchen in the world.
Okay. Big shout out for Josh on YouTube.